Automate delivery management and vehicle allocation with V-Zone 4D. It analyzes job duration, waiting time, and available vehicles, offering multiple options for users to select the optimal allocation. Simplify operations, save time, and optimize resources. Key features. Easy integration option with V-Zone Track. Introducing our powerful fleet management system capable of handling 1,000+ deliveries in a single session. When it comes to delivery planning, every vehicle type has unique requirements. Finding the perfect route is crucial for efficient deliveries. With our advanced system, you can rearrange routes based on priority to ensure timely and efficient deliveries. Stay informed about your daily delivery performance with our comprehensive daily delivery summary report. Experience the power of responsive interfaces and user-friendly design in our fleet management system. Never miss a beat with our real-time delivery completion alerts and notifications. Unlock the power of data visualization with our comprehensive KPI dashboard. Experience the power of seamless integration with our web API. Our V-Zone 4D application is tailored to meet the needs of various industries, such as FMCG companies, furniture stores, electronics outlets, medical and surgical suppliers, construction industry, and foods and beverages. Contact us today to explore the possibilities of seamless integration and elevate your fleet management. Experience world #1 GPS tracking system with world-class features. The industry leader in GPS fleet management solutions. V-Zone International, world #1 fleet management solution.